So this is Reese. She's just chilling because she's on the Pooch CBD. There's jackhammering going on outside. And she's just like, it's all good. Stuff works. Yeah. That's what we got going on outside. Reese is over here on Pooch Chill CBD. We've got her on a 0.5 milliliter dose, up from a quarter. She's just relaxed, totally content. Normally she'd be pacing around in circles, totally freaking out. She's really sensitive to noise. She can hear it, you can see her ears, but she's just doing her sploot. You're splooting and chilling.